Welcome back to another error video. If your YouTube dark mode is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, click on your profile icon and go to the appearance and click on the dark theme. As you can see, it's working properly on my device. If it doesn't work on your device, then next is go to the browser, click on three dotted button and go to the extension, click on manage extension and disable one by one extension and check the problem. If it persists, then next is three dotted button and click on the setting, and now click on the privacy and security and click on the delete browsing data. Now select advanced and select all time and delete data. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then try next. The next solution is click on the URL link and type here Chrome semicolon double forward slash flags and press enter and search here auto dark mode for the web contents. Click on this icon and select enable and launch. After doing this step, again open your Chrome browser and check the issue. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.